Yep.
Holy shit, I did my first fucking one as soon as I committed, dude.
I feel like you guys don't really get to see me skate mini much. So I'm just gonna skate the mini ramp for a little. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Doing good, how about you?
Pretty good, hanging in there. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I actually did a few cool things that I was proud of in that line. Just dropped my phone off the deck of the ramp. I gotta get above it. I feel like the only way to get good at skating like big transition, this part is obviously not a mini, this is like borderline vert. Not quite vert, but it might have a few inches of vert, but it's just a big ass transition. It's like the transition of vert before it gets to vert. But I feel like the only way to get good at any transition, but big ass transition, is to just get a little spicy at the top and just do dangerous shit like. Oh shit. That was spicy for me. I was like Louisiana, Texas Pete. I don't know. I did a little board slide. Pretty spicy. No, but tell me why every time I fly up the ramp and catch my board, I feel like I'm just like coming off a vert run. Like late 90s, got my knee pads on. I ride for Birdhouse. I'm like one of the first ones to get radical. Fucking backside grind. My hat's down there. Let me pick that up. If I was a Dern brother, I would back 50, this rail, and then ollie down. That's what I would do. Pinked out, greened out, neoned out, 80'd out, aired out, radicaled out, wedged out. I'm on my way to practice like blunt to fakies, but I'm doing blunt to rocks. And that's kind of like where I'm comfortable right now. So I'm just gonna keep throwing those till I get so comfortable that I eventually just feel like I can pop back in. But that's been a notoriously just sketchy trick for me for years. But I can do the thing where you like pop back in with your hand, and I can blunt to rock now, which I learned like a couple months ago. So I'm gonna throw a few of those, maybe a little bit of both, maybe see what else I could do, maybe kickflip, rock to fakie. Alright, so from what everybody keeps saying in all the tutorials is the main tip, basically the whole play on blunt to fakies is when you get in it, you gotta know how to power ollie at least, right? When you're coming back out to the coping, everybody wants to like ollie the regular way or towards the regular direction, but you're supposed to ollie this way to give your board clearance. So you're jumping this way and then lifting up. I know I could do it. Why am I talking so much about it? Fear is like a cancer. Fuck fear. Oh, we're going for it. We are going for it. I'm a man, not a mouse. So, let's fucking rock it. Yo, bro. Would you want to film something for me real quick? Just one. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Holy shit, I did my first fucking one as soon as I committed, dude. Oh my god. All right, here we go. Holy shit. I got one. I got my first blunt to fakie. So excited. Trick tip coming soon. The lights are about to shut off in the park, so I'm gonna get out of here. You know what it is. Cosmic Mojo, baby.